This is asset tracking solution for multiple industries which helps us to monitor the real-time tracking of asset and the process management. Assets are monitored right from when it enters and finally when the asset exits from the area. Registered. This shows the total number of coins, assets and gateways registered to a particular user. Active. This shows the total number of coins, assets and gateways that are active out of the registered devices. Offline. This shows the total number of coins, assets and gateways that are offline out of the registered devices. Manage assets. Using this feature, the user can manage the assets that are assigned to assets and can also see other details such as asset name. The user can turn on and off the assets devices using toggle on and toggle off. Manage coins. Using this feature, the user can edit, delete and can manage all the coins that are installed in the premises. The user can also see other details such as the coin ID, battery status of coins, the zones to which the coins are assigned and also the gateway to which the coins are assigned. Manage gateways. Using this feature, the user can edit, delete and manage all the gateways that are installed in the premises. The user can also see other details such as gateway ID, name, type and its MAC ID. Manage user. Using this feature, the user can get various alerts like gateway offline alert, coin inactivity alert, assets inactivity alert, geofence enter exit alert and time-lapse alert. Home page. The home page gives an overview of all the assets activities that are happening at the premise in real time. The solution gives the ability to upload the site map and configure zones based on the specifications. A sample map is seen here with the zones as configured. Live zone-wise status. The live zone-wise status grid shows all the zones of the premise with corresponding asset in each zone and the average time taken by asset in each of these zones. Clicking on any of these zones will give the details of all the assets that are present in the particular zone. Congestion. The congestion graph on the right side will give a quick overview of the congestion of assets in the zones. Let us talk more about congestion monitoring. To view a detailed analysis of the congestion, selecting the congestion link will get us to the congestion page. Here, specifying the date and time, the congestion analysis is displayed on the map. Also, the trend of the congestion in the zones can be found specifying the date range. Path tracing. We can select the date and asset name that gives us the movements of assets represented in real time in an animated manner so that a user can have a clear picture or better visualization. Heat map. We can select the date range and asset name to get the maximum, medium and less time spent by the assets represented in the heat map with different colors so that a user can have a better visualization. Geofence dashboard. Geofencing dashboard shows the geofence status of all the assets that are present along with other details such as current location status, asset name and time. Reports. The asset tracking solution provides an elaborate and effective reporting and enables the management to make accurate and data-driven business decisions. The reporting section is divided into 3 categories, namely asset-wise report, location-wise report and zone-wise report. Asset-wise report section will have the following reports available. Generic report. The generic report shows the asset data for all locations with timestamp for the selected date range, that is date parameter. Asset-wise report based on location. This report shows the specified asset data about its location with the timestamp for the selected date range. Asset-wise report based on zone. This report shows the specified asset data about its zone with the timestamp for the selected date range. Location-wise report. This report gives complete details of the specified location name for all the assets for the selected date range. Zone-wise report. The zone-wise report section will have the following reports available. Zone-wise report. This report shows the asset data for the specified zone and the selected date range. Zone-wise performance. Actual average time of all the main zones for selected date range. Zone-wise performance per day. Average time of all the zones with respect to day under the selected date range. Zone-wise efficiency. Efficiency of all the zones in percentage with respect to selected date range. Zone-wise efficiency per day. Efficiency of all the zones in percentage per day for selected date range. Time lapse. It gives the delay alert. For instance, an asset was supposed to move from coin location 1 to coin 2 within particular time. In case the asset doesn't reach coin 2 within the stipulated time, we raise an alert. Note that the time is variable and can be chosen based on requirement. Turnaround time monitoring. With this option, you can see the total time spent by an asset in various zones and in overall premises as well. Trip count. Trip count gives the number of trips done by fleet or forklift, etc. in a day. This data helps in increasing the efficiency and better planning of assets. SenseGizs digital solution with a cloud platform and analytics can be used to reduce asset tracking time, avoid theft, and calculate the time spent by each asset at any given location.